Auto safety doesn't equal high costs, but some brands still cut corners. Automakers aren't necessarily inflating car prices to include advanced safety features, according to independent crash test organization Euro NCAP. Despite this, some brands deliberately avoid top safety ratings to keep costs down, proving that safety isn't always the priority for every manufacturer. The cost-benefit analysis of Safety Euro NCAP Secretary General Dr. Michiel van Ratingen explained that simply adding safety tech doesn't guarantee it will make it into production models. The decision to include a feature isn't purely technical. Marketing departments weigh cost against perceived consumer value. This means that even if a safety upgrade exists, it won't be standard if executives believe it won't sell well enough to justify the expense. Brands prioritizing price over protection. Euro NCAP Technical Director Richard Schramm pointed to Dacia as an example. The brand openly aims for 3-star safety ratings rather than 5, because a cheaper price is more important to their target customers. Dacia makes clear choices about what to exclude to cut costs. The Renault Duster, sold in Australia as the Dacia Duster, debuted with a 3-star ANCAP rating, proving this strategy is already in effect. Suzuki follows the same pattern. These brands aren't necessarily unsafe, but they don't prioritize top-tier protection like some competitors. Still, ANCAP boss Carla Horweg insists that budget cars can achieve 5 stars without significantly raising prices, suggesting that some automakers simply choose not to. Safety levels. A spectrum, not a binary. Dr. Van Ratingen emphasizes that lower ratings aren't necessarily unsafe. A 4 or 3-star car is still safe, just not as safe as a 5-star model. This clarifies the reality that most cars on the road meet minimum standards, but buyers who want the highest protection should actively seek out 5-star vehicles. Dual ratings. A way to have it both ways. Some automakers now offer dual ratings, a base model with a lower score, and an upgraded version with all the safety features that earns a higher score. The Kia K4 is a perfect example. Its base trim gets 4 stars unless buyers add a safety pack, which brings it up to 5. This approach allows automakers to appeal to price-sensitive buyers, while still offering maximum protection for those willing to pay extra. Ultimately, while safety technology isn't driving up the cost of new cars overall, some brands still prioritize affordability over the highest level of protection. Buyers need to understand these trade-offs and choose accordingly.